In today's video, I'm going to be going over 3 of the best summer niches for you to get into for your Amazon Kindle Direct publishing business. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dane, and on this channel I talk all about self-publishing books on Amazon, on entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. In today's video, I'm going to be going over 3 of the best summer niches for you to get into for your Amazon Kindle Direct publishing business. And a bunch of these niches, actually probably all 3 of them, there's going to be a bonus one at the end, so I guess all 4 of them will work on Audible as well in audiobook format. So I'm excited for this video, as I know most of you guys are. Niche videos are very popular for KDP and just self-publishing in general. So the way that this is going to work, I'm going to go over each of the 3 niches. I'll give you a bonus one at the end. I'm going to go over what they are, why they're popular right now, why it's a good idea for you to get into them. And in the end, I'll give you some of the sub niches that fall within them that you can take a look into to find keywords for you to make books about for these niches for summer. So without further ado, if that sounds good to you guys, let's jump into my computer. I got this all on a presentation. I'll show you exactly what they are right in front of you in my computer. So let's get into it. So niche number 1 is probably going to surprise a lot of you guys. This is one I haven't really talked about before in any of my other niche videos, but this is definitely something that is in demand right now. I've been seeing it pop up over and over and over and over again in my private course, just on YouTube. And whenever I've done keyword research, parenting, family stuff, and just relationships have popped up over and over and over again. So this is very in demand right now. And to be quite honest with you, there's not a whole lot of keywords in these that fall within this niche, or niches, I guess you could say, that have a lot of competition. So there are a lot of keywords you can find in here with low competition, and right now they're in high demand. So it's a good one to get into and start looking into for keywords. So there's lots of new parents during the pandemic. It's one of the main reasons why I think this is so popular right now. As you all know, pandemic was it's been about a year now since, well, over a year now, I guess, and a few months since it started. Wasn't much to do. So I guess there's lots of new parents coming out of the pandemic. So that is definitely one of the main reasons why there is so much demand for this particular keyword right now. There's lots of parents looking for parenting books, parenting guidance that are brand new parents. So that is definitely one of the reasons why there's so much demand for it. Just starting to see the influx of demand now, in my opinion. I've seen this over the past couple of months, so it is a sweet spot right now to get into this. Parents are either, if they have kids for a while, they're going into their first year of school maybe next year, or they're brand new parents, they have a brand new newborn. There's definitely tons of different books and different sub niches that you can get into for this. So some particular sub niches that I've noticed that are very popular for this niche, or niches, family relationships, are these ones. So new parents, newborn, stuff like that. Babysitting, okay, because lots of parents have stuff to do during the day. They're looking for babysitting tips, whatever it may be, very popular right now. Pregnancy and family health overall, and just relationships and kind of mental health within a family setting. So that's niche number 1. Definitely worth your time to look into if you guys are looking for a in-demand niche that's kind of new, might challenge you. I wouldn't recommend if you're not a parent getting into this niche, but if you're a parent, you're experienced, you have children or something like that, you have expertise. Most parents are passionate about parenting and their children, so this is definitely a good niche to get into if it interests you. Niche number 2 is fitness and meditation and just kind of mental health in that kind of way. Very, very popular right now. I can't really lie to you. This is most of the time always popular, but as we get into the summer months, lots of people are looking to get more fit. So as that follows along, books like this get more popular. So most people haven't been allowed to go to gyms for a year as well. So due to the pandemic, in most places in North America, from my knowledge, gyms have been closed for a very long time. Luckily, where I'm from, they've been open partially, like with limited capacity throughout most of the pandemic. But a lot of people have just avoided them in general, or they've been closed. So a lot of people have been going to them, and now they're kind of opening up as things start to open up. As I say here, most things are partially or fully open now. So people are starting to get back into the groove of things, and fitness and meditation, going to the gym, dieting are getting more and more popular right now. So I've seen a lot of things like this pop up in the recent past few weeks. There's definitely a lot of demand for this right now. And there's less stress from COVID, which means people are putting more time into physical and mental health. Okay, they don't have to focus on that anymore. They can focus on themselves, getting better, and moving forward. So this niche right here is definitely one to look into if it is something that you're passionate about, you're interested in. It's a good one. So some niches to check are stretching. I've seen this one pop up many times. And stretching is more of a keyword than a niche, but there are different keywords within stretching that are very popular right now. Home workouts, meditation genres, so things like meditation for insomnia, meditation for motivation, all the different types of meditation that you can get into. There's tons of different subgenres for meditation. Books, and trust me, meditation books do very well on Audible. Not so much on KDP and paperbacks and ebooks, but in audiobooks, people love meditation books. And dieting. Okay, so that is niche number 2, fitness, meditation, very popular right now and definitely a good one to get into if you're interested in it. Niche number 3 is outdoor recreation and living. And I've talked about this kind of thing in the past. In the past, I've talked about more so survival books and outdoor books. This one's more outdoor recreation, living, having a fun time outdoors, and kind of doing what my government likes to call it staycations, so you don't travel too much, whatever that may be. Very popular right now. Okay, so air travel for leisure is still difficult to do, and I'm talking global here. I know in between, like flying in your country is not so much difficult. You can definitely do that nowadays. But if I wanted to fly, say, to like Australia from Canada or to, I don't know, Europe or something, it's difficult to do still, even with vaccines and all that kind of stuff going on. Air travel is still difficult to do. So most people are looking into outdoor recreation within their area. So maybe a 5-10 hour drive from where they live, as opposed to doing air travel. A lot of places are encouraging staycations, like I just said, so people are camping. Okay, and camping is kind of the underlying theme here with outdoor recreation and living. People are looking into camping. It's very popular right now because of this. So many people are learning outdoor survival and living tactics right now as well. So things that pair with camping, making fires, cooking outdoors, having fun outdoors, anything that may be included in outdoors is very popular right now. So definitely a high demand niche, especially in the summer months. People are outdoors way more. So some sub niches to check within this niche are camping, of course, outdoor sports, off the grid living. So this is a very popular one as well. Not really related to what I've talked about, but it is outdoors, so I put it in there. Hiking, very popular, and you'll be surprised how many books about hiking there are. And you can definitely find some sub niches within hiking that are in demand and don't have a whole lot of competition for you to get into for summer. And travel guides, of course. People are looking for travel guides. So outdoor recreation is number 3, very high in demand, very popular keyword right now, or sorry, niche right now. So take a look if you're interested in that kind of thing. There's tons and tons of content you can make about that. You can make tons of books under one single brand that are all outdoor related and do very well. So definitely a niche that's worthwhile to look into. And finally, the bonus niche to get into right now is Q4 focused books. Okay, so with this one, we're looking a little bit into the future. That's why it's a bonus. It's not really one that ties into the video, but I wanted to mention it because it's a good time to start preparing for Q4 if you're looking to make a bunch of money in Q4 off of books. And the main ones that I've found that sell during Q4 are entertainment books. So the summertime is the perfect time to prepare for Q4 book sales because you can get them ready within a few months, get them launched, and then get them ranking by the time October, November, and December come around, because those are going to be your biggest months in terms of Q4 books. So lots of kids, game, and entertainment books sell like crazy in Q4. Trust me, I know this from experience. Kids game, like I'll tell you some different types of game books in a second. Entertainment books are just, they sell insane amounts during Q4 because parents are looking for presents for kids, friends, cousins, whatever it may be. Presents are the biggest thing. So think about a present that a parent might give to a kid, or a parent might give to another person, or just a person might give to a person. Those are the kinds of books that will sell like crazy in Q4. Many cookbooks sell very well too during this time. On top of just kids, game, and entertainment books, cookbooks sell insanely well during Q4. People are just eating more, I guess. There's not much to do outdoors because it's colder in most parts of the world. So cooking is kind of a hobby and something that people like to do. They have gatherings at their houses. Cookbooks are very, very popular. So some sub niches to look into that relate to these kind of Q4 books are joke books, like kids joke books, insanely popular. Challenge books, Would You Rather, Try Not to Laugh. Like Try Not to Laugh is actually trademarked, so don't copy that one exactly. Like Try Not to Laugh Challenge, I'm pretty sure is trademarked, but I just call them challenges because they're challenges for kids. So obviously with your title, you didn't want to put Try Not to Laugh Challenge. You put something differently, but that kind of niche is very popular during this time. seasonal cookbooks, so like Halloween cookbook maybe, Thanksgiving cookbook, Christmas cookbook. Those kind of things sell very, very well during Q4. Those are more keywords than niches, but definitely areas to look into if you're looking to get into some Q4 books during the summer. You're bored, you don't have a whole lot going on, you have some free time, start making some Q4 books. It will be worth your time when summer comes around, when Q4 comes around at the end of the year. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video on the top 3 niches plus my bonus niche to get into right now for the summer months on Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, and Audible ACX. Hopefully you guys enjoyed them. If you have any more that you want to mention down below for other people to look into, make sure you drop a comment. Let me know what you think. But if you want to learn more about self-publishing in general, you're brand new to this kind of business model, you want to make an online income from self-publishing, I have a free Facebook community with over 2,500 members in it right now. 100% free. I post tons of tips and tricks similar to the video that I'm making right now. If you want to join that group, all you got to do is click the link down below this video, go to it, answer a few questions, and I'll let you into the group. And you can get tons of free access to me. I'll answer any of your questions in there. Post any questions. There's tons of totally active people in there. There's a community of people. So if you have any questions about self-publishing and you want to get started with it, it is the group to join right now. Okay. So again, if you want to join that group, link down in the description. It'll take you to Facebook. You can join it 100% free. I'm not selling you anything to get into the group. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Try to post new videos every single week. Hopefully you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.